Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this small video tutorial, I will teach you how to download, install and use Roblox Account Manager. So first of all, you need to go on this link. The link will be in the description. You can open this link and first of all, you need to download Roblox Account Manager. You need to click this blue download button right here and you need to download it on your PC or laptop. So once you will download this file, I already have it on my desktop. You need to right click on it and you need to extract the files. So then you need to open this folder and you need to double click on it. Right guys, this kind of page will appear on your screen. First of all, you need to select how you want to your date to be secured, and they recommend us to use password. So let's click password locked and enter the password. Then click continue and we need to confirm the password and click the continue button again. So then we need to give a minute to finish this download process right here, and then we can start using this account manager, guys. So first of all, I will tell you, if you don't know what is this program, it allows us to add multiply accounts and it gives an easy switch ability between different accounts, guys. So first of all, we need to add multiply accounts right here. We need to click add account button and this browser will open on your screen. You need to enter your login and password of your Roblox account and it will automatically add your account right here in this box. You can add a lot of accounts, as many as you want, guys. Then you need to select the game you want to join. Right here is the place ID, so we need to select the game we want to open. So go to Roblox website, choose your favorite game, guys, and on the top you will see this ID right here in the browser. So you need to copy this, go back to our Roblox account manager, and you need to delete this and paste the ID we just copied. And as you can see, Roblox account manager identifies the game, which is Taxi Boss in this case, and then you need to click join a server button, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this small video tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. So that's all. See you in the next video update.